Hey there, and welcome to PC Error Detective. Today we're going to learn how to remove Norton from your PC, step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tech videos. Step 1. Go down to your taskbar and click on the Start menu icon. This will open up a list of options on your PC. Step 2. Next, click on Settings. This will open up a window where you can adjust different settings on your computer. Step 3. In the Settings menu, look for and select the option labeled Apps. This will bring up a list of all the applications currently installed on your system. Step 4. Scroll through the list until you find Norton Antivirus. Once you locate it, click on it to highlight the program. Step 5. Now click on the Uninstall button that appears. A small confirmation box will pop up asking if you're sure you want to uninstall Norton. Go ahead and click Yes to confirm. And that's it. Norton Antivirus will now begin to uninstall from your PC. Thanks for watching.